Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to convert scanned PDF into editable Word document. Friends, here you can see this is a scanned PDF file in which I want to extract the text and make it editable in a Word document. So to do so, I simply open this file on my Word document, but I am using Word 2013 and it won't able to extract text from every PDF file. So I will try to extract text from this file, otherwise I will use some other method. So here you can see it is showing the scanned copy in Word but not able to make it editable. So to make editable, I will open drive.google.com in my web browser. Here I will upload my PDF file. I will select the file and click on open. Now it will upload my PDF file in my Google Drive. So here is my PDF file which I want to extract. So I simply right click on it and here I click on open with and select Google Docs. Now basically it will convert my PDF file into Google Docs in a editable mode. Now here it has extracted all the text from a PDF document and opened in Google Docs in editable mode. So now I will download this file on my computer. For that I will click on file and here I will click on download, and in downloads I will select Microsoft Word. So now basically it will convert this Google Docs file into Microsoft Word format. I will save this file on my desktop. Now here as you can see it has downloaded the file in Word format. Now I will open the file. Now here you can see the file in Word format. So friends, like this you can very easily convert scanned PDF into editable Word document. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.